The warmer weather. Hey, Winning Health MD can help you get back on your feet after an injury or chronic pain. Dr. Andrew McMarlin is here to tell us about the non-surgical options available for arthritis care. So welcome to Low Country Live.
Thank you. And
I just want to start with your background. We were talking a little bit. How did you get into sports medicine to begin with?
Well, I've always loved sports, just like everybody in this area.
Yeah.
I had been a serious college rower and was a serious rower after college for the U.S. national team for a few years. And then I was the rowing coach for the U.S. Naval Academy for a year before medical school.
Very impressive. So doing all that kind of piqued your interest, obviously.
Yeah, and I love how athletes think. They want to get better fast.
Quickly.
And, yeah, they want to get better now.
Yeah.
So I understand that mentality and I enjoy treating people who really are excited to get better quickly.
And I imagine then you know your patients so well because you've been there, on the other side of that. So your title officially is non-surgical orthopedist. What does that mean exactly?
So non-surgical orthopedics and sports medicine, it's really kind of a broad spectrum musculoskeletal care. Okay. So a sports medicine specialist has kind of extensive training in the entire musculoskeletal system. Okay. And on the non-surgical side, really do a very extensive examination to make sure we get the right diagnosis, and then guide the rehabilitation from the acute injury process until someone is fully rehabilitated.
Okay. So you see the people with the injuries, but also you see people with arthritis.
That's right. So ranging from acute injury to chronic injury and arthritis, it definitely is for most people is a chronic condition, which can be really debilitating.
Yeah.
And most of the time does not require surgery. So there are a lot of different therapies as well as different kind of lifestyle management, but quite a few different therapies that we do that can be helpful to prevent someone from needing a joint replacement and get people back to doing what they really enjoy doing.
Yeah, what are some of those therapies? Because the last thing you want, I'm sure, is surgery. That's like a last resort.
Absolutely. So it's a kind of a wide range from different types of physical therapy that can be performed, but there's also different types of injections, both from anti-inflammatory injections to regenerative injections that can be injected into the knees, hips. I take care of very serious tennis players, stand-up paddlers, surfers, for all kind of a wide range of different arthritic conditions.
So when you think of arthritis, I usually think of older, but I imagine, like you said, these intense athletes develop it much sooner because of repetitive use.
They do. I've had patients come in, particularly women patients who are in their mid-20s who've had a couple of revisions of ACL replacements from tearing, having injuries to their knees playing soccer as 11, 12, 15-year-olds, and you see it in people in the 20s now.
Wow.
So it's
scary. So someone who does not have arthritis right now, is there anything that we can do now to help prevent it or slow it down if we are to get it?
Absolutely. There are a lot of different things that you can do, both from diet, lifestyle management. Some of it is making sure that you have a balanced system. So if you're a competitive runner, doing things like yoga and other types of therapy, and you mentioned the bar class, anything where you can really improve your overall balance and prevent some of the chronic overuse injuries that you may start out with a muscle injury and then you modify how you walk or run or swim.
And then something else hurts.
Right, and then something else hurts, and then you can develop arthritis from having an unbalanced system.
That's great. Well, where can people find you and get more information?
Well, it's easy to find me. I'm on Houston Northcutt Boulevard, across the street from the Cinnabar movie theater, about a block away from the Whole Foods restaurant here in Mount Pleasant.
Can't miss you. All right.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
And right now we are going to send it over to Tom.
Well, we can all agree that we're done with the winter and ready for spring. Today we welcome lifestyle expert Justine Santinello